Hi, Nidrika. How are you?
I'm fine.
How are you looking well?
Today is the last day of the assignment. I don't know how to file it. It's completely so much things. I don't know. But I need to get the result.
Okay.
If you know something, then tell me because it's completely so much. Thanks for me.
See, I recommend you one thing. Just visit www.taxman.com. You can call the information.
Okay. So, any office, any means where exactly I can consult someone, I can get more
See,
information.
even I was like you worried last 2 days back. Somebody guided me to go to the site, and then inside it took 30 minutes to file my tax and to know what are the amount getting.
Okay, so you have that's my direct line with www.taxman.com. I can get that.
Don't worry, man.
Okay, sure.
Thank you. Shooting over.
Hi, ma'am. Good morning. Well, actually, I'm full of tension. I cannot find my returns. I don't know what is the procedure. I need to get some refund. Can you help me? I know TaxMail is a means actually I came through a website. I can means TaxMail is a very good website to file the returns. Can you help me? What is the procedure? Because this is the last day to file the returns. Can you help me? Because it's very urgent for me. And also, if I'll not file the return.
Sir, please, cool down.
Okay.
What? Okay, I will surely help you. Taxmail is a user friendly, will surely help you. What is the issue you're facing,
Actually,
sir?
I need some refund. I don't know exactly how to file the return. This is first time I'm filing my return on income tax website. What is the procedure? Can you tell me?
Okay. And do you have a form 60 with you?
Yeah, I have wrote from my company.
Okay. Actually, I'll just first tell you what is Taxmail. Okay. Taxmail is we have our own website to e-file your returns. We have two plans in Taxmail. You can go for a Taxmail Silver and you can go for Taxmail Gold. Taxmail Silver is rupees. We charge customer with rupees 250, and Taxmail Gold is we charge them with rupees 400. What is the difference between Taxmail Silver and Taxmail Gold is with Taxmail Silver you can only e-file your returns. After filing the returns online, you have to download your ITRV. You have to take a printout of that. You have to sign the ITRV with blue ink. Without folding the ITRV, you have to send it to the income tax department. Okay, and you will get the acknowledgement from income tax department within 30 working days. Using Taxmail Gold, you can e-file your returns with digital signature certificate, which we provide with eMudra. Okay. With the digital signature certificate, your ITRV form will be digitally signed, so that you need not take a printout of your ITRV and you send it to income tax department. You need not do that. After your ITRV generated, within 24 hours, you will be receiving the acknowledgement from income tax department. And with your form 16, actually our taxman website there is a inbuilt calculator which calculates your taxable amount or the exemption amount when taxable amount or the exemption amount uh, as per the income and the investment you enter in our website. Okay, it calculates according to the difference of that.
Ma'am, can you show me the example how to do it? And because I need some information, then I can go to my home and I can do the things. If you will guide me, what is the procedure? Can you help me? Can you show me the details?
You can log in to www.taxmail.com and here you find a sign up. You have to click on that. Now you have to create a username and password for yourself, and you can log into your Taxmail website with your form 16. You have to go to after logging into the Taxmail website, you'll find a My 2013 return where you are going to file for the financial year 2012-13. And I forgot to tell you something also. Using Taxmail, you can file your returns for the financial year 2011 and 12 also.
Okay. You are also giving the revised return to me. Okay. Means 2011 and 12 return also can file.
If you're busy in your work and you forgot to file the returns for 2011 and 12, you can also file the returns for 2 years.
Okay.
Financial year 2011 and 12, and as well for the financial year 2012 and 13. And after logging to the Taxmail website, there will be a button called My 2013 Return for filing the returns for this current financial year. After clicking on that, you have to go to Prepare Your Returns. You can also see this. You can go to Prepare Your Returns, and in Prepare Your Returns, after preparing returns, here will be 3 columns like income step 1 and and deduction step 2 and tax credit step
Okay,
3.
okay.
In income step 1, if you click on that and you will get some, here you will find the add resource, income resource. You have to click on that, add source of income. You have to click on that, and you can, if what are the income you have, according to that you will get the option yes or no, and you can go proceed. And in income step 1, under salary, under income step 1, you will find the option called salary bar pension. So if you click on that, click on the hyperlink, you will go to the form 16 page, form 16 part A, part B, part A, part B, and in that what all the information provided in your form 16, everything will be provided in our website also. Seeing that, you have to enter the details and you have to submit it.
Ma'am, shall I get my refund now? If I file my returns, all the things if I do, means shall I get my refund now? Because I'm completely worried about my refund, because last year I filed my return and completely they did some mistakes. So that is the reason completely I'm so much tense and so much worried.
No need to get tense, sir. You enter all your details, and in deduction step 2, what are the deductions you have, your insurance premiums, everything you enter. You, after submitting the returns, you will find the column called if you are eligible for tax refund, our system will automatically calculate those amounts as per the details you entered, as per the income details and the investment details you entered. Our website will automatically calculate that amount, and your refund amount will be visible for you. You can, it will be reflecting actually. The actual amount will reflect for you.
Start.
Okay, ma'am, I understand all the things. Okay, you are, as per your knowledge, you are telling that I will get my refund, correct? So, because that is the reason I'm completely so much worried about my refund. So, you are giving one more option in digital signature certificate. If I file my return, I don't need to send any ITR, correct?
Yes, sir.
So,
Sure.
directly means it will digitally sign and income tax department will get. Real ma'am, it's very helpful for me. And so today evening I'll go and open the account in TaxSmile and I'll file my return. Definitely means you can help me all the things.
Yeah, sure, sir. If you want to submit your form 16 also, we are helping you in filing, preparing your returns. After preparing the return, we will send the same to your. Actually, what is the process is, you can file the returns by yourself, or we will prepare the returns for you, and you have to file the returns.
Better I suggestion means you can prepare my returns. I'll give all my details to you. You can prepare my return and give me all the details.
Okay, you submit your form 16, or you send your form 16 to taxassist@taxmail.com. We'll prepare your returns and we will send an email to you. You just click on the link and you will be able to e-file your returns.
Thank you. And also means it is only means that much procedure. There is no other procedure either, correct?
No other procedure, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you, man. It's very easier. Means
What
definitely I'll get my refund, correct, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
What the time I took to explain you, the same time amount of time you are going to spend to file the tax.
Okay. Means
Through
it's
tax mail.
okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I'll come and I'll file my returns. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Smile with us.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Oh, Anjana, I successfully filed my return. Okay, thanks. Lastly, TaxMail helped me to get my refund. Okay, I love TaxMail, Anjana. Really, it's helpful for me.
I think shooting hour